Hi, I'm Jason Hoffman. I'm the founder and CTO at Joyent. Joyent is a modern infrastructure system software company, plus one of the largest cloud service providers in the world. If you look at the basic philosophy of Joyent and our basic drive, our drive is to run applications exceptionally well. And when you think around what does it take to run an application exceptionally well, it takes understanding what's going on in the device. It also takes understanding exactly what's going on in the data center backend, down to every sort of minute detail. And so when we look at what we do from a data center, we really design a data center as if it was a single system. We design a data center like it was a box. And so when we look at the way that we design the data centers is really around differentiating in a couple of places. It's really around, as I was saying, doing things well. And so if you look around how we would define well, very often in the industry there's things like being more agile, being more flexible, being backward compatible. But to that I would also add nouns like resiliency and reliability, meaning the tendency not to fail and then the ability to recover from failure within your infrastructure. Performance and scalability, so not just being high performance, but also having known units of performance so that when you add up 100 of them, it's 100 times what you'd expected. Really understanding what the infrastructure is doing. And so we're at least somewhat unique in that when you look at what we do within a data center, we're actually capable of doing real quality of service delivery times. Remember, QoS, if you really extend it out all the way, is quality of service delivery times. And so it means doing latency type measurements end-to-end within servers, just like you do on the network, and fundamentally guaranteeing things based on the expected result. You want it slow, you want it fast, you can pay sort of a difference on that. When you look at what we do then from a security perspective as well, the fact that we do things like run full virtual machines inside of an OS level virtualization means that we have a highly secure form of virtualization that we run inside the data center. And then finally I'd say that we try and strive for elegance in what we're doing. And elegance in English doesn't mean beautiful or pretty. It means as simple as possible. And so elegance of interactions, accessibility, integration, interoperability, really sort of striving to sit down and write what is a very good logical data center layer is what we strive to do inside our software. So I'd say running applications well, and when you decide as a CIO, CTO, or even as a developer, running applications well doesn't just mean agility, flexibility, backward compatibility. Running applications well means performance, scale, resiliency, reliability, understanding everything, and then really truly being secure in that environment. So, thank you for your time.